The stock market is rigged. You are losing money every day. But what if a machine could tell you what to buy? What if it could predict your financial future? I used to think AI was just science fiction. Then I put it to the ultimate test. It changed my investing game forever. This video reveals the AI investing secret. You will learn how to make smarter money moves. This is not just theory, it is practical. Get ready to unlock a new level of wealth. This is the AI investing revolution. Many people feel investing is too complex. They believe it is only for Wall Street pros. That is a common misconception. This video is about AI transforming investing. It is about making wealth accessible to everyone. You will gain practical, actionable insights. This is different from typical finance videos. We are filling all the gaps. We are showing you how to apply this. Is there anything else left to watch? Absolutely. We are diving deep into real-world examples. Imagine a world where your money works smarter. A world where you are always ahead of the curve. This is not a dream. It is happening now. I will share my own journey. I will show you the exact steps I took. This is your chance to join the revolution. Stay tuned for the biggest secret. It is coming up very soon. The old way. Why investing felt like a secret club. For many decades, investing felt like an exclusive club. It was a world filled with complex charts and confusing financial jargon. Only a select few seemed to truly understand how to navigate its intricate pathways. Most people either felt completely overwhelmed and chose to do nothing at all. Alternatively, they made emotional mistakes, often leading to significant financial losses. This created a frustrating and repetitive cycle for countless individuals. The average person was frequently left behind, missing out on substantial growth opportunities. This situation established a huge barrier to achieving genuine financial freedom. It often felt like the entire system was deliberately designed against the everyday investor. However, a powerful and silent revolution began to emerge from the shadows. This new force was poised to completely change the financial landscape forever. The AI revolution, your new financial superpower. Artificial intelligence is no longer confined to science fiction movies or advanced robotics. It is now quietly and profoundly transforming how we build personal wealth. Imagine having a super-intelligent financial advisor working tirelessly on your behalf. This advisor operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without ever needing a break. It analyzes billions of data points from global markets in real time. It predicts market trends with an almost unbelievable level of accuracy. Most importantly, it tells you precisely where to strategically place your money. This is not a futuristic fantasy anymore. This is the tangible reality of AI and modern finance. It is truly like having a powerful cheat code for your investing endeavors. This groundbreaking technology is actively leveling the playing field for everyone. It is effectively putting the immense power of Wall Street analysis directly into your hands. This is true even if you're a complete beginner with no prior investing experience. My own personal journey started with a healthy dose of skepticism. I genuinely thought this concept was far too good to be true. However, the undeniable results spoke volumes for themselves. My investment portfolio began to grow at an unprecedented rate. All of this incredible progress was thanks to the transformative power of artificial intelligence. How AI actually works in investing, the secret sauce. Let us now break down exactly how artificial intelligence achieves these remarkable feats. It is important to understand that this is not magic. It is simply advanced computational power at its finest. Beyond human limits, data analysis and prediction. Humans possess inherent limitations when it comes to processing vast amounts of information. Our brains can only effectively handle so much data at any given moment. Artificial intelligence, however, can process truly immense quantities of data. It can accomplish this in just a mere fraction of a second. Imagine an AI sifting through every single news article published globally. It reads every social media post, analyzing public sentiment. It meticulously examines every economic report and financial statement. It then identifies complex patterns that no human could ever possibly spot. For example, AI can perform sophisticated sentiment analysis on news. It understands how positive or negative news directly impacts specific stocks. It can predict significant market shifts long before they actually happen. This means AI can identify genuinely undervalued stocks with precision. It can spot potential growth areas long before traditional investors even notice them. This capability provides you with a significant and unfair advantage. It is truly like having a powerful crystal ball for all your investments. This allows for proactive decision-making rather than reactive responses. Personalized strategies, robo-advisors, and beyond. The era of one-size-fits-all investment advice is now completely outdated. Artificial intelligence offers truly personalized and dynamic investment strategies. It meticulously tailors investments to your unique financial goals. It carefully considers your specific individual risk tolerance. It also factors in your precise financial timeline for optimal results. Robo-advisors are a prime and accessible example of this revolutionary approach. Companies like Betterment and Wealthfront actively utilize AI technology. They provide automated, personalized investment advice to millions of users. They manage your portfolio intelligently based on your detailed profile. This makes sophisticated portfolio management widely accessible to everyone. It is no longer exclusively for the ultra-rich or institutional investors. It is now available for anyone with a modern smartphone and an internet connection. This democratizes investing in an incredibly powerful way. It effectively puts advanced financial tools directly into your hands. This empowers individuals to take control of their financial destiny. Risk management and optimization. Artificial intelligence is not solely focused on making you money. It is also fundamentally about protecting your hard-earned capital. It constantly monitors your entire investment portfolio in real time. It rebalances and adjusts your holdings to continuously minimize risk exposure. It can identify potential pitfalls and market downturns before they become critical. It diversifies your investments in optimal and intelligent ways. These are ways you might never even consider on your own. This ensures your money is working smarter for you, not just harder. It provides an essential layer of security and stability to your investments. This is especially crucial during volatile and unpredictable market conditions. AI helps you navigate the inevitable ups and downs of the market. It provides peace of mind knowing your investments are being intelligently managed. My personal AI investing journey, the proof. Before I discovered artificial intelligence, I faced many common investing struggles. I was often overwhelmed by the sheer number of investment choices available. I frequently made emotional trades based on fear or sometimes irrational greed. This often led to missed opportunities and, unfortunately, sometimes significant losses. I constantly felt like I was always playing catch-up with the market. Then, one day, I stumbled upon a fascinating article about AI and finance. It immediately sparked my deep curiosity and interest. I decided to take a leap of faith and try it for myself. I started with a modest amount of money, an amount I was comfortable losing. I invested it using an AI-powered platform that promised intelligent management. The first few days were incredibly nerve-wracking, I must admit. I was constantly checking my phone, anxiously watching the numbers. But then, something truly incredible and transformative happened. My portfolio began to consistently outperform the broader market. It grew steadily and reliably without my constant intervention or emotional interference. I started hitting financial milestones that I thought were years away. This was not some magical get-rich-quick scheme, let me be clear. It was about leveraging cutting-edge technology to make smarter, data-driven decisions. And the most amazing part? This powerful technology is accessible to absolutely everyone. My personal experience unequivocally proved that AI is a genuine game changer. It completely transformed my financial outlook and my approach to wealth building. Evergreen lessons: AI's impact on companies, consumers, and governments. The artificial intelligence investing revolution has profound and far-reaching implications. It is fundamentally changing the entire financial landscape for everyone involved. These are lessons that will remain relevant for years to come. For companies, innovation and adaptation. Financial institutions worldwide are rapidly adopting AI technologies. They're investing heavily in AI research and development departments. Companies that wholeheartedly embrace AI gain an undeniable competitive edge. They can offer superior and more efficient services to their valued clients. They can analyze vast amounts of market data with unprecedented speed and accuracy. They can detect fraudulent activities with far greater precision than ever before. Those traditional institutions that resist adopting AI risk being left far behind. It is a clear and stark case of adapt or perish in this new era. AI is actively forcing traditional banks and financial firms to innovate. It is simultaneously creating an entirely new wave of agile fintech companies. These innovative companies are actively disrupting old, entrenched business models. The future of finance is undeniably and irrevocably AI-driven. Companies must integrate AI to remain relevant and competitive. For consumers, empowerment and accessibility. Artificial intelligence is democratizing access to sophisticated financial tools. These tools were once exclusively available only to the wealthy elite. Now anyone can access personalized investment advice and strategies. They can manage their investment portfolios with newfound confidence and ease. This widespread access leads to a significant increase in financial literacy. It empowers individuals to make much more informed and intelligent decisions. Consumers can now take direct control of their own financial future. They are no longer solely reliant on expensive human advisors or complex institutions. This fundamental shift puts significantly more power directly into the hands of the people. It is actively creating a more equitable and inclusive financial system for all. This represents a huge and undeniable win for the average investor. For lobby groups and governments, ethics and regulation. The rapid and accelerating evolution of AI raises many important questions. Concerns about algorithmic bias, transparency, and potential systemic risks exist. Lobby groups are actively advocating for responsible AI development and deployment. They are pushing for clear and comprehensive ethical guidelines for its use. Governments worldwide are diligently developing new regulatory frameworks. The primary goal is to ensure the fair and responsible use of AI in the financial sector. This includes crucial aspects like data privacy and algorithmic transparency. It is a complex and ongoing challenge to balance innovation with public safety. The financial industry is actively working on developing robust standards. These standards aim to promote fairness, accountability, and trust. This ensures AI benefits society as a whole and prevents potential misuse. The global conversation around AI ethics is absolutely crucial.
It will ultimately shape the future trajectory of this incredibly powerful technology. The future is now. What is next for AI investing? The exciting journey of artificial intelligence in finance is truly just beginning. We are standing on the cusp of even more incredible and transformative advancements. Convergence with blockchain technology. Imagine the immense power of AI combined with blockchain technology. This powerful synergy creates entirely new and unprecedented investment opportunities. It offers unparalleled levels of transparency and security for transactions. Smart contracts, intelligently powered by AI, could revolutionize trading processes. Decentralized finance, often called DeFi, will become even smarter and more efficient. This convergence promises a truly revolutionary global financial system. It will be significantly more efficient, secure, and accessible than ever before. This will open doors to new forms of digital assets and investments, hyper-personalization, and predictive analytics. Your AI financial advisor will become even more intuitive and sophisticated. It will not just manage your money based on simple rules. It will deeply understand your life goals and aspirations. It will meticulously analyze your spending habits and patterns. It might even factor in your emotional state and psychological biases. This will optimize your financial future in incredibly holistic ways. It will be like having a personal financial guru who knows you intimately, one that understands your financial needs better than you know yourself. The predictive capabilities will become astonishingly accurate. This will lead to even better and more consistent investment outcomes. AI will anticipate your needs before you even realize them. Your next steps. How to get started with AI investing.
The artificial intelligence investing revolution is not merely coming, it is already here. You absolutely do not need to be a tech genius to join this movement. You also do not need to be a seasoned Wall Street veteran. Here are your clear, actionable next steps to begin your journey. Research reputable robo-advisors. Start by thoroughly exploring well-known and reputable robo-advisors. Look for platforms that possess a strong and proven track record of success. Understand their specific fee structures and their core investment philosophies. Many of these platforms offer very low minimum investments. This makes them incredibly accessible for even complete beginners. Compare their features and choose one that aligns with your comfort level. Explore platforms with AI-driven insights. Look for traditional brokerage platforms that are actively integrating AI tools. Some platforms now offer powerful AI-powered stock screeners. Others provide advanced sentiment analysis or predictive market indicators. These cutting-edge tools can give you a significant competitive edge. They help you make much more informed and strategic decisions. Explore free trials or demo accounts to see them in action. Educate yourself on AI and finance. The more you understand about AI and finance, the better equipped you will be. Read insightful articles, watch educational videos, and consider online courses. Stay consistently updated on the latest developments in artificial intelligence. Knowledge is truly your most powerful and enduring asset in this new era. It empowers you to leverage these powerful tools effectively and responsibly. Continuous learning is key to long-term success. If you are truly ready to stop guessing with your hard-earned money, if you are ready to start investing smarter and more strategically, then hit that subscribe button right now. I will be sharing even more actionable strategies. Strategies to leverage artificial intelligence for your ultimate financial freedom. What are your honest thoughts on AI investing? Have you tried it yourself, or are you considering it? Let me know your experiences in the comments below. Your valuable insights help our entire community grow and learn together. This is just the exciting beginning of your AI investing journey. Do not miss out on the incredible future of wealth creation. Join the revolution today and take control of your financial destiny.